We start every review with a deck, but communication doesn't have to start with a document at all. It's 11 p.m, the leadership review is tomorrow, and the team is still formatting slides. We finally have AI in the building, and we pointed it at making slides faster. Same meeting, just quicker. Here's the trap. Aim AI at formatting, and you get incremental, faster decks, same overload. The insight gets discovered, then buried. By the time it reaches the executive, it's all surface process, not substance, and human judgment never gets in the room. But a leader can point AI somewhere else entirely. Not at the slide, at the thinking. What if the deck isn't the start, but the last thing you make? It starts with curated insight, shaped for the person who actually needs it. Evidence, trends, risks, tailored thinking, not a slide in sight. And you don't just accept it, you question it, you challenge it, you correct it. Copilot refines, but the judgment stays human. So the review changes, no slides on screen, just dialogue. Questions, outcomes, real human judgment in the room. Capture the conversation as it happens. The insight is preserved, not retyped, not diluted. And only now does the document appear, the executive summary built after understanding, not before. Word and PowerPoint don't vanish. They become outputs. The result? People curate insight instead of formatting it. Teams talk instead of present. Executives get clarity with depth on demand. It's 11 p.m. again, but the lights are off. Because this was never about better slides. Treat AI as an optional tool and you get incremental. Make it how insight is created and discussed, and the change is structural. So the real question isn't what AI can do, it's what human time are you trying to get back, and what will you do with it?